Oh, that's a Duke head.
Angel had her first puppy. What a good mama. What a good mama.
Oh my god, that one's got a pointed tail.
Try to get it over to your nipples.
See, I don't know how that works. I know they know.
What a good mama.
Oh. Nope. Oh, look how little it is. He's not really that little.
Good mama.
Yep, those things are gonna be huge. Poor guys, like, can you stop licking me once?
She is giving it another one. Pushing on another one. She's doing good. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. You got this. You got this, baby. Come on, mama. Come on. This one's trying to find a nipple. Oh, there it comes. There it comes. Look at that mama. Look at that mama. There you go, mama. There you go, mama. Get this one away. There you go, mama. Look at that one. We got number 2. We got number 2. Can you... Come on, break it off. Get it off yet.
Oh, I didn't know that puppies scream that much.
There you go, break it off yet. This one looks bigger.
I didn't know puppies would make that much noise like that.
There you go, girlie. There you go, girlie. Rip that off her. There you go, mama. This one's mad because it's trying to get a nipple. Oh! It's got a white nose. Look at
Is it moving?
it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Angel, you. Good mama. Good mama. There's the number 3. Okay, I'm starting to see him move, okay.
So they're like 20 minutes in with each other.
This one's fucking got, like, really brown.
Brown, that one's brown. I told you Duke would dominate the color. Yeah, that place is disgusting. I know. Good girl. Yeah, but that gives her that protein back for those boobies when she
Number 3.
feeds.
There's one. There's one.
Good girl, mama. I wouldn't have put him that close because she's rolling around. He's a cuter. I don't think you'll have a hard time getting rid of them because they're beautiful puppies.
Mama's doing good. I love that fur on that one. Nice and golden.
Puppy.
We got 2 females and a male.
Oh. Good job, mama.
Fucking a Valentine gift. Since it was February 14th.
Good girl,
I'm
Mama.
not sure how much she's gonna have, but got 3 right now. I really love that fur on that one. The coat. Oh.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. He's a good mama. Yeah, with your babies. Probably doesn't like the light in her eyes.
Angel just had her 4th one. Right there.
Hey, we messaged
So we
you
got
guys.
2 males and 2 females.
You should wake her up.
Yeah, see, this is the one that just came out.
Yeah.
That's a male too. So those 2 are males. These 2 are females.
Excellent cats. Hey, good kitty.
So I was down at the store and my wife and my daughter was here, and I guess Angel popped out 2 more. So now she's up to 6. 6 puppies. And one of the new ones was a female and the other one was a male. So we got 3 and 3.
It's a tie.
3 boys and 3 girls. Look at them. And she's doing a great job being a mama.
Too bad it happened on our bed.
Yeah, too bad she gave birth on a bed, but hey, it's whatever. I made her a spot, but she didn't like it because I wasn't in there, obviously. Cute puppies. Getting some puppy love. I think they think I have a nipple.
You do. You do. You got 2 nipples.
Look at them.
Downward together.
Doesn't help I'm laying down like a female pup.
It's a wild puppy, not wild child. It's. I was just pushing that. Yeah.
Hey, look, they're feeding off me.
It's the Walla puppy.
Did so good.
Angel had her 8th puppy.
Oh.
She's being such a good mama. And Grandpa over here is watching these guys. Look at them all. 8 puppies. This was her first litter. If you guys go back on my YouTube, you'll see Angel when she was a puppy.
This is number 1. But
Yeah.
he was number 2.
Yeah.
Here's the star of them all.
And here's Grandma.
Hey, we're not getting under the...
Wait, no, you guys stay up here for now.
Oh, good girl, Angel. What a good girl.
Well, guys, 8 puppies.
Yeah.
I think she's like done too. 8 puppies. That's crazy. We've been writing down the times and all that stuff. As you can see right here, it's February 14th, 2026. The first one started at 1:54 a.m.
No, it didn't.
Oh, I mean, no, yeah, it's okay. It's 5:41.
5:41 a.m.,
Five-
but that
I
was
was-
the first one.
I was reading the number 1, that's why. So 5:41 a.m. and then it just goes down. So far it was girl, girl, boy, 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 girl,
Angel,
boy,
come over here and
and the last one I haven't looked yet. So we'll find out. See if it's gonna be 4 girls and 4 boys or what. We got a whiner.
Grandma wants to come see.
Tell her it's
We got a whiner.
Grandma wanted to come see. You scared me.
So guys, it's the next day after she started giving birth around 5:41 a.m. yesterday morning, and at the end of her labor, I said she had 8 puppies, but she ended up having a 9th one at 10:11 in the afternoon. That's a.m. So in all, she has 9 puppies. 5 boys and 4 girls. Look at this cuteness. Cuteness. All the puppies. And she's being such a great mom. Such a great mom. Yeah. But we'll have more updates as they get a little bit bigger. So keep on watching and subscribe.